In this video from LifeSaver Tech, I will show you how to fix the blinking lights and reset the waste ink pad counter on Epson XP-2101 and XP-2105 using the adjustment program.
When technology says no, LifeSaver says watch this.
Nice.
When the printer lights start blinking, it usually means the waste ink pad counter has reached its limit. First, download the free adjustment program. You can find the download links in the description. Please watch the video until the end, share your feedback in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Before extracting the file, temporarily disable your antivirus software. Some antivirus programs may detect the adjustment program as a threat and remove or block important files. First, copy the password from the text file, then open the adjustment program. Paste your password here, then click OK to continue. Now, select your printer model and choose the correct port. Now, open the particular adjustment mode option. Now, open the waste ink pad counter option. Now, check both options and click Check. If the main pad counter is at 100%, it means the blinking lights are caused by the waste ink pad limit. If it is not full, the blinking issue is caused by another problem, and resetting the counter will not fix it. Select both options and click Initialize. Now, turn off your printer and turn it on again. The problem should be fixed. Your printer is now ready to use again. If this video helped you, please like, share your feedback in the comments, and subscribe to LifeSaver Tech for more helpful tutorials.